Can you split screen on your iPhone on iOS 18? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a question many of you have been asking. Can you split screen multitask on your iPhone with iOS 18? The short answer is absolutely not iOS 18 has been out for a little while now, and unfortunately, Apple still hasn't introduced native split screen multitasking for iPhones. This feature has never been part of iOS, unlike iPad OS, which allowed for seamless multitasking. However, what you can do is you can swipe down from the bottom right and go to the right side. You can easily switch between apps. So this is the only feature that is quite close to split screen. It's pretty strange, especially considering the power of the iPhone. The technology is there, but Apple hasn't given us this capability yet. There are some third-party apps that you can use for split screen layout, but there is no inbuilt feature. So that's it. While we wait for Apple to potentially roll out this feature in future updates, let me know in the comments what you think. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.